and stand together, Kenyans have regained their voice, their courage, and are standing up to the bullies in this regime. Kenyans are standing up in very remote parts of the country to tell off the government on its lies, and its insensitivity to the people. We encourage Kenyans to continue manifesting courage and call out this regime. We will stand with all Kenyans expressing such determination to take back our country. The coalition is happy, our country. The coalition is happy and proud of the performance of its members of parliament and on all critical national issues. When it has mattered, even where the members have been outnumbered, they have expressed themselves on such issues as the Finance Act 2023, and Kenyans will remember that there were 88 loyal members of Azimio who stood with them, and there were 176 who voted yes, and that is why they are suffering today. Kenyans will also Azimio legislators on the housing levy, on the deployment of the housing levy, on the deployment of the police to Haiti, and the general state of the economy. Over time, we have been vindicated. May I now invite my senior, the Honorable Martha Karua, to read the rest of the statement. Thank you very much.
The summit had a robust discussion on strengthening Azimio and its constituent parties. The coalition partners have been able to agree on fundamental strategies and we agreed that the coalition is only as strong as its constituent parties. The summit therefore reaffirmed its commitment to the renewal, strengthening of all the constituent parties through various activities, including members' recruitment drives, delegates conferences, PGs and NEC meetings. All constituent parties have committed to pursuing a course that addresses the challenges the country is going through, and that also help to advance and defend the gains of democracy. Azimio remains one and is here to stay, committed to shared values that include public participation, good governance, respect for the Constitution and rule of law, social justice, and non-discrimination. On public litigation, the summit that the cases coming up under public interest litigation address fundamental concerns in which Kenyans feel overlooked, mistreated, and ignored by a regime steeped in impunity. Some of the cases include the Jubilee Party case and the ruling by the Speaker of the National Assembly forming multiple parliamentary groups within this particular political party. This is a real threat to the foundations of our attempts to create a strong multi-party democracy. It threatens to return Kenya to a single-party era. The housing levy is a threat to livelihoods. The plan to unilaterally sell public assets without the participation of the owners who are the people of Kenya. We will stand in solidarity with the petitioners in the public interest litigation cases on these issues. Azimio stands for the rule of law and supports the need for an independent and professional judiciary. Subsequently, we demand that the Kenya Kwanza regime must keep its hands off the judiciary. We take note